And this is the office I walked into on day 1. I had no idea where it was, no idea what to expect, and I showed up 1 hour early because I was too bored sitting in my PT room. Reporting time was 12 noon, but by 10:30, I was already restless. I booked an auto. I didn't know exact office address. The only landmark I knew was D-Mart nearby. So I told the driver, D-Mart chalo bhai, yahan paas mein jo hai. He dropped me there and left. And now I am standing outside a grocery store, informal, trying to find a multinational company. I walked around for a bit and finally spotted the building. Walked in, and that's when it hit me. I had no idea what floor, what process, nothing. I went up to receptionist. She looked at me like, yeah, she has seen this before. And another confused intern. She calmly explained me everything. Get up your temporary ID card from second floor, go to the sixth floor, get the gadgets, then onboarding room, and blah blah. Simple enough, right? Except the lift system. It had a system I had never seen before. You punch your floor on keypad outside the lift and it tells you which lift to take. No button inside. 1 hour later, temporary ID card done, laptop and gadget collected, and I finally walked into onboarding room. And the first thing they did took us for the lunch. The entire intern batch together. And that's when I noticed something unexpected. There is a dedicated app just to book for your lunch. Not a WhatsApp group, not a Google form, simply an app. That's when it hit me. This place runs differently. We came back for 3 hour onboarding session. Introduction, company value, HR talks, and some other random stuff. But yeah, it was very interesting. But it didn't feel like a lecture. Then we had a walk around the campus, gym, recreational spaces, facilities I genuinely didn't expect. I learned 2 things that day. Simple thing, but they hit different when you actually leave them. 1. Call people by their name. Not sir, no madam. 2. Be on time. Not because someone's watching, but because it's first signal of who you are. I walked in that morning as a student, trying to figure out where the office was. I walked out that evening feeling for the first time like I was actually supposed to be there. Nobody gives you your place, you find your way to it.